Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you've not been here before. I'm Sinead Crowe and I do weekly fashion and style videos. And today I am doing a H&M sale haul. So I have already done a H&M sale haul, so I'll link it up here if you haven't seen it already. So leave me a comment actually and see which sale haul you think is best. But the sale has gone down even more and they've added more items, so I wanted to do another sale haul because also the other one I was like, the sale's on, sale, woo! Got really carried away, whereas this one I really spent my time, and also I found some pieces that I really wanted. If you watched my H&M Come Shopping with me, I'll link it here. There was a couple of pieces that the woman, so I'll just talk about that woman who worked there because she was really annoying. Anyway, she put loads of my stuff away and I ended up not getting it. But I actually found the shorts that she put away and they were on sale for like £5. So who's the winner here? Me. So let's get straight into it without further ado. So I have tons here to show you. Got some knitwear, got a lot of knitwear. I think that the summer sales is a really good time to get knitwear because as long as you get things that are like timeless, you can get some major bargains, and I actually love H&M knitwear. It's really good quality. I have quite a few pieces from them, and I also have like acne knitwear, which is obviously like, I usually buy it on sale, but it's like £300 full price, and honestly like you can tell the difference. Obviously you can tell this is like a £300 jumper, but comfort and stuff, it's the same. So the first thing I got was this jumper, and I think this is actually the first thing I put in my basket too, and it is so soft as expected. I don't know the prices off the top of my head, but I will write in the description below. I'll add all links to all products and I'll add sizing information and the price so that you can make an informed decision. So this is like oatmeal, green oatmeal and then brown. I just think it's really cute, and also it's quite thin knit, so it's still quite good for summer. Obviously British summertime, you never know what weather you're gonna get. I think this would look really cute with like denim shorts or over a summer dress. Actually would look so nice over like a cream dress. I can just imagine it. Beautiful. This is a super soft jumper. I really like, let me just show you out. I really like the stripes. It's such nice colours, but still like neutral, and it's so soft, and it's a really good like lightweight jumper. It goes really small too, so this would be a really good one to have for summer, like, you know, when you like just want to put it in your bag in case you get cold, because it doesn't take up much space. This would be a really good one. And the next thing I got is another jumper, but this one's literally like almost a top. It's got a knot on the front. It definitely needs a good steam. It's so soft. It feels like, you know those like little microfiber teddy bears that you get for children? It's so nice. I don't even know why I'm saying that because I'm not even trying it on, but I just feel like the feel of it, like I could just go to sleep. It's so soft, and I'm kind of like, I feel like the softness is winning me over, but I don't know if it's a bit like Blair, like just nothing to it. I feel like maybe like this, oh no, that's cute. That's quite cute though. Then it is quite naked. What do you guys think? I'm not sure about it. I feel like there's some really nice aspects to it, but I just feel like it's something that needs playing around with a lot to make it look nice. But I'm pretty sure most things in this haul are under like £20, so it's definitely super cheap. So next we have a little camisole, and I really liked this one. It kind of reminds me of like underwear or negligee. I'm just gonna put it on my arm like that. It's easier to show you guys. It's like crossover with the lace, but it's got this really nice seam, and then like the crossover detail. I just thought it was really nice. That's not easier to show you like that. I just thought it was quite a nice style. It definitely does look like underwear though, and the label's different, which is making me think maybe it is underwear. So this is a cami on. Just keep it close so you can see the details. I actually think it's really nice with just these denim shorts, to be honest. I feel like it's just a really good basic, will go with everything. It would look so nice with a chunky cardigan as well. I really like the colour. I think it's such a pretty colour, and it's kind of got that negligee look about it, which I did say before I didn't know if it was underwear, but I like the fact that it kind of looks a bit underwear-y, if you know what I mean. And I think as well, if you found a skirt that had a similar colour, like one of those silk skirts, I think it would look so nice underneath, like a kind of tiered look. So speaking of basics, I have another one. So this is a bodysuit, and I think I had this in black too, maybe another colour. It's like a crossover long sleeve. I love a long sleeve. It's ribbed, and it's a bodysuit, and it's got poppers, which is good because, and they're not too hard. I hate hard poppers because it's so annoying when you're trying to, like when you go into the toilet and you can't do them up again. And I hate sellotape because it doesn't stay done up. So you need a secure fastening that's not impossible to do up when you're putting a bodysuit together, and I think that one is perfect. So this is the bodysuit on. As you can see, like this is where the seam is, so I feel like it might look weird if you didn't have something so high-waisted. These shorts are like the perfect height. And it's just like really plain on the back. It's really comfortable and soft material. I think they had it in a few different colours, so I feel like this would be a good one to like have to style up with different pieces. Like I always like to have a good stock of different types of basics like this in my wardrobe, so that when I have something that I don't know how to wear it, I've got like loads of different things that I can pair with it and make like a really nice outfit. So I found an amazing knit, but this is like a real winter knit. I'm really sorry that the light always changes in my videos, but I'm sat here against this wall which has got this like amazing 2 big windows here in light, but it's literally the busiest road, so there's always like buses and trucks, and that's why I sometimes go bright red too. But yeah, anyway, so I found the most amazing chunky jumper, and obviously it's not the time of year for it, but like I said, it can get cold in the evenings. You never know what the UK summer's like, and also it's just a good time to invest, and this is like a classic grandpa Aran knit. The only thing I'm not liking about it, I've just realised, is that it's plain on the back, and I do think that makes it look super cheap. So I don't know why they've done that. It's such a shame. Like, that's actually put me off it, but I still want to try it on and see what it looks like. So this is a super oversized jumper. I do really like the like knit and the fit, and it's like, it looks really nice with the light shorts, the dark shorts, but I just don't know the back. I know you don't see the back yourself, but I just feel like it just looks really cheap, and because you can see the back of the sleeves too, I just feel like it wouldn't have hurt them to do this all the way around. What's going on outside? And this is what's put me off it, I think. And another chunky jumper. This is like a big, I got this in a large because I wanted to oversize and off the shoulder, and it's got a big V-neck, and it's like real, can you see that knit? It's like real chunky, and it's very soft and like light as well, like really light. Like I hate a jumper that's like so thick but it's so heavy, and it literally feels like you're carrying 100 pounds around with you. Like, wait, is 100 pounds heavy? I don't even know if that's heavy. So this is the cream oversized jumper, and this is how I would wear it. So I got it in a large, you could wear it off the shoulder and then maybe do a little tuck. I think it looks really cute, and it's actually so comfortable and soft. I just think it's such a nice fit, and I feel like for summer as well, like summer evenings, this looks really nice. With denim shorts, or like a day where it's like a bit cooler but you still want to get your legs out. I think it looks really nice, and just it's a really nice throw on piece, and I'd wear this in winter too. Obviously it's kind of like an all year round jumper. If anything, it's more of a winter jumper, but I would wear it in summer because I'm someone who doesn't have like a separate wardrobe for different times of year. I'm just like, if I like it, I'm wearing it all year round. Oh, so this is something I got from the men's section. It's this jumper sweatshirt. The only thing is, oh, it's really soft on the inside. Okay, I'm won over, it's soft. But I was expecting it to be more of a navy, whereas I feel like that's more of a blue. Or maybe it is navy, maybe my eyes are funny. I think the red is throwing me off, making me think it's more blue. So this is an oversized sweatshirt, and I love it. It's so comfortable and soft and like fleecy, and I love how long the sleeves are, and it's really long. I just want to show you the length before I cut it, because I probably took it. But yeah, I really like this. I think this is such a good kind of basic to have. I feel like nautical stripes are literally all year round, every year. Like, they're so timeless. So this is a really good one to get, in my opinion. Okay, so these are the shorts that I was telling you about. I tried them on in the shopping video, I'll link it here, and loved them, but they're a bit too small for me. So I got them in the next size up, and I put them behind, and then when I got my parcel, it wasn't in there, and I was really upset. But I got them, and I got them on sale, so I win. So these are the £5 shorts that I wanted before. I really love them. They're so flattering and so cheap, and I just love the stitching detail. They're super stretchy and comfortable. I love them. I don't really know what else to say apart from these shorts are great. Then last but not least, I got one more thing from the men's section. I got this oversized striped t-shirt. Really like the burgundy tones, and I feel like I've realised that I do really like men's t-shirts, but I prefer them when they don't have pockets on them, because I feel like the pocket, I don't know, it just looks a bit preppy. I hate that word, But I really like this colour, and I thought it looked really nice with like light wash denim. I can just picture it right now. Or like knotted over a dress, or like with a skirt, or like with linen shorts. I just think there's lots of ways you could wear this, and it's very nice, and I think it was like £3 or something ridiculous. This is the oversized men's t-shirt. What do you guys think? I really like the colour and the fit. I actually kind of wish it was a bit more oversized, but I think it's meant to be tight because it's stretchy material, but I just thought I'd show you it tucked into these shorts because I think it does look better tucked, or even like you could knot it. I think that actually looks way better than loose. But I do think for the price, it's a really nice t-shirt, and I just honestly am obsessed with t-shirts. I don't think you can have enough. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think the best thing is that I got from this haul. I would love to hear your thoughts. Let me know what you think about Love Island. Like, I'm not being funny, I know they keep saying this in my videos, but I love talking about Love Island. So if you watch Love Island and you have strong opinions, then let's talk about it. Who's your favourite? Who's your least favourite? I would have to say my favourite. I have joint favourite, like, I think if I had to pick a favourite, it would be Tommy. I love Tommy and Molly, but he is just amazing. Like, honestly, the way he talks about her, the way he is around her, and he has so much respect for her, like, I just can't cope. Literally, like, I cried when they recoupled. I actually cried. Maybe I should do like a Gogglebox thing of me watching Love Island. I literally shout at the screen. And when Lee is her favourite, I feel like I'm gonna say Curtis. Like, I've always not really liked him. Like, I found him a bit cringe and like too much, and just like he gave me the ick. But what he's just done to Amy, I just feel like it's so unnecessary, and I actually dislike him more than Danny. But anyway, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what your favourite item is, and talk Love Island. Bye.